It's been a while since I fixed the switch over here. This one doesn't power on. And the reason for that, well, the charging port is broken. Let's take it apart. All right, we got the cover off here. Okay, the metal shield removed. All right, we're down to the motherboard here. Perfect, we have the motherboard out. All right, so let's remove this port. All right, we remove the port here. And we cleaned up. We have our new port here. All right, so we just soldered it on, looking fresh as always. All we need to do now is to add the legs. All right, the legs are on, let's go test. Put it together here enough just to test. Well, we plugged it in, nothing really happened. So we know that the charger port is good. So it's either this M92 chip or the battery's bad. Let's put a new battery here. However, it should turn on without a battery here. So this is definitely an M92 chip or the ISB on the back. And with the meter in continuity mode, we tested the M92 chip, and the capacitors here, they're shorted. Let's replace this chip. All right, I have the M92 chips here, and I have the other ones right there. Let's remove the M92, install a new one, and test. All right, we removed the chip here and cleaned up, and now we have the new chip right there, ready to place. And with the multimeter, before putting this new chip on, we tested, everything looks good. The short is gone. And we just finished installing the chip here. It looks like a successful install. Let's go test. All right, I put it back together enough just to test. So I plugged it up here, and no. It has more problems. It seems like a short has returned right here, so let's remove this chip. Very strange, the brand new chip blew at the same spot. That's strange. Word on the street that some of these brand new chips are actually bad, so let's try another brand new one. Alright, the new chip is looking perfect here. With the multimeter and continuity mode, I checked here and the short is gone, and absolutely this should be working. If anything happens, it could blow again from something else going on here. All I have connected is the power button and the screen. That's crazy, look at that. Alright, I connected the battery here and it shows that it's charging, so there's the charging sign. So let's leave it to charge for a little bit and see. Alright, so this thing actually turned itself on, and here it is. Perfect.